You know what I got? I got a sticky head. But you ought to, you want to feel this a minute? Here, just put your hand over here. You see? Now, what I can't figure out is how you girls put that on intentionally like that. And go around with it. Oh, it feels awful. Oh, my. I had fun. Tony Shomley was the fellow who was throwing the pies. And I must say his sense of rhythm and his sense of timing puts him in the top echelon of pie throwers in the history of television. Now, we have a group of young ladies. We have the Klinger Sisters plus one from Orem, Utah. And, oh, yes. We have an added starter. Well, now, listen, you better introduce yourself because this is the first time you've been on the show.
Okay.
All right, tell them what your name is.
My name is Lisa Klinger.
Lisa?
Mm.
And how old are you?
7.
Now, weren't you supposed to be with us on the show some weeks ago?
Yeah.
You were? Well, what happened?
I got sick.
You did? Did you have a cold?
Yep.
Oh, is that what it was? Were you coughing?
Yeah.
How did you cough? Oh. Were you sneezing, too?
Yeah.
You were?
Mm-hmm.
Well, how did you sneeze? Sure. That's very good. You know how a sneeze starts? You know how a sneeze is born? Let me show you how a sneeze is born. Listen. Bum, bum. Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. A fat lady won't put sugar in her tea, said she's losing weight. Then she gobbles down a dozen eclairs and proceeds to eat the plate. Bum, 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 ain't it great to be crazy? Bum, bum, ain't it great to be nuts like that? A horse and a flea and 3 blind mice sitting on a curbstone shooting dice. The horse slipped, fell on the flea. Whoops, said the flea, there's a horse on me. Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, 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 bum.
An elephant has a very long trunk, use it like a hoe. But it costs $10 for handkerchiefs every time he blows his nose.
Bum, 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 ain't it great to be crazy? Bum, bum, ain't it great to be nuts like that? Sure, and a canary and a kangaroo were sitting in the rain and they didn't know what to do. The kangaroo spied the other two starting to cry. Said, hop in me pouch, it's nice and dry. Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. Lying in the park says, keep off the grass.
I don't think that's it.
No, sir.
If you're not supposed to walk on the grass,
Sign gets it.
Bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, 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 bum. Now showbiz is a wonderful life if you have the ambition. If you want to see your name in lights, become an electrician. Bum, bum, ain't it great to be crazy? Bum, bum, ain't it great to be nuts like that? A pig and a pigeon and a pollywog will talk one day in a pea soup fog. The pig squealed, the pigeon did too. The pollywog became a frog and then they always do. Bum, bum. A pig and a pigeon and an electrician, a smart kangaroo that knew what to do. The drugget and feed for an elephant sneeze. A mouse and a flea and a horse makes three. A fat lady with no sugar in it.